Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the holy name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious, the especially merciful. I am Muhammad Zain, belongs from Tehsil Chishtiyan district Bahawalnagar, Punjab, Pakistan. As you know well, today I am here to share all of my achievement with all of you. In the previous month of Ramadan 2024, I am participating in Arabic calligraphy competition at international level in Sri Lanka. In that competition, there are many students of universities and national schools. And Alhamdulillah, I am participating in that competition and I am secured second position. And other my achievement is in the previous month, also Ramadan 2024. I am participated in Arabic calligraphy competition organized by Falcon Association, Pakistan. In this competition, I am also secured second position overall in Pakistan. I am participated at international level 4 times, and Alhamdulillah, I am secured second position in first time at international level. At national level, I am participated 10 times. First achievement in the national level with Falcon Association of Pakistan, I am secured second position. And another achievement at national level, I am secured 6th position overall in Pakistan in 2023. I attended 2 exhibitions in Pakistan. One exhibition attended in Bahawalpur Museum, Bahawalpur Museum in 2022. Now I want to share my documents with all of you. This is my documents of international level participation of. This is selection of my work in international level in Sri Lanka. This is announcement of result and Alhamdulillah I am secured second position at international level. In the competition of Pakistan organized by Falcon Association of Pakistan, I am secured second position overall in Pakistan and receive a certificate of appreciation and a shield of participation in a shield of appreciation with Falcon Association of Pakistan. I am participating in 2023 in Arabic calligraphy competition organized by Ashraful Kalam. Another in 2024, I am participating at national level with Ashraful Kalam calligraphy competition. This is certificate of my participation at international level in calligraphy competition in 2023. This is my photo with the Commissioner Sir Raja Jahangir Anwar Saab, Commissioner of Bahawalpur. I met with him and he appreciated me that in this era, modern era, and there is no young generation are work on the arts and they forget their culture and tradition. He appreciated me and this is my photo with Principal Saab of Mirza Razali, the principal of Dani School Boys Campus, Chishtiyan. This is my certificate in my school, I am secured first position. This is my certificate in school, I am secured second position. This is my certificate in my school, I am secured second position. This is my selection of work. Thank you so much for your attention on my work and my achievement. I am very thankful all of you.